Instamojo as a payment gateway in your business to collect payments from your customers? Then this video is very important for you guys because I will show you how you can track your Instamojo payments automatically in one place in a systematic order. Let me show you first how it is going to work. I will do the payment using Instamojo in front of you and you will see the payment details will be created as a record in Google Sheets. So this is my Instamojo smart page. I will do the payment from here. Let me add in my details as a customer. My name is Demo Customer. My email address is demo77@pabblytudes.com and my phone number is a dummy phone number. After that, I will click on this add delivery info. My information is 11 Old Town. The address, city is Indore. Pin code, this is the dummy pin code. State is Madhya Pradesh. I will do the payment from here. I will do the payment. Let me scan this QR and do the payment from my phone. I have done the payment from my phone. You will see automatically it will be updated on my screen as well. So as now this payment has been done successfully through Instamojo, you can see it says your payment is successful. Now let me go back to my Google Sheets. You will see right over here I have received the response. This was the payment ID. The name of the customer was Demo Customer. This is the phone number. Customer's email address is demo77@pabblytudes.com. The same entire address that I've entered. Successful is the payment status. And you can see the amount is 9 rupees, which was the amount you can see. Okay. So this is how this amazing setup is going to work. You can get the free template of this workflow that I will teach you in this video in the description section. You can also comment down below. I will share it with you directly. Now I am creating such automations using the software Pabbly Connect for years now. I have created 1000+ automations. You can purchase this software in order to create effortless automations as well. You do not require any technical coding or programming skills to create such amazing setups. Without wasting time, let's dive into the creation of this setup. Now I'm already in the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you want to access Pabbly Connect, search for pabbly.com/connect on a new tab. You will come to this landing page. If you're logging in for the first time, simply sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. You can create the setup right away absolutely for free. You can test out how it's going to work for you. Then you can purchase our yearly or lifetime plans to get unlimited tasks. The coupon code ANGYT that you can see on the left side of my screen will get you instant discounts on the purchase. Go ahead, use the code. It's also added in the description section. Okay. So now I'm already on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to create a new workflow, go to this create workflow option and select the option of create using AI. You will come to this AI builder page. This is a newly launched feature of Pabbly where by just entering the prompt, you will get the entire workflow for yourself. Now over here for the prompt, I will write it as track Instamojo successful payments in Google Sheets. This is what I want. I've written it in one line and you will see right away here first I have to select which Instamojo version do I want to use. I want to use V2, so I'll select V2. For that trigger, I will select successful payment and I want to add the data in my Google Sheet, so I'll select add new row. This is the workflow I want. I'll approve and open this workflow from here. Now let's just build this setup. Now go to this Instamojo step. You will find the URL, copy this URL using which you are going to create the connection between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect. Log into your Instamojo Smart Pages account. This is the page that I want to connect to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to go towards the 3 dots and edit page section right over here. In edit page, go to this page settings and go towards this webbook section. After coming to webbooks, you have to click on this add webbook and on this option. Now first you have to enter the webbook URL where paste the webbook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided you. And for the information to be sent, select successful payments as I want to share the successful payments towards this URL. And simply save and update the settings from here. As soon as you will do that, this page is going to be connected to Pabbly Connect. Now after connecting, go back and recapture the response from here. After doing that, now let's do the payment so that we can check this page is connected to Pabbly Connect or not. Now for doing the payment, I have copied the link on a new tab. I'll do the payment from here. For the name, I'll write over here as best customer. For the email address, I'll write over here as best@pabblytudes.com. Now next it is asking for the phone number for which I'll enter a dummy phone number. After that, I'm going to click on this add delivery info. It is asking for my address for which I'll write over here as 7 New Street. After that, it is asking for the city for which I'll write over here as Bhopal. Pin code, I'll I'll write a dummy pin code. State I'll write over here as Madhya Pradesh and proceed to pay. Now it is asking for the payment, for which I'm going to do the payment from my phone again. And as with my phone the payment is done successfully, you will see the status of the payment on my screen is also going to be updated in seconds. As now this payment status is updated as it's done, I'm going to go back to my workflow. It will take few seconds for the payment details to arrive in the trigger, so you have to wait over here for few seconds as well, and let me show you the response. And you can see I've received this response where I've received the status as success. This is the payment ID. If I'll further scroll down, this was the product. You can see the status Madhya Pradesh. This was the price 9 rupees. Postal code, country India, city Bhopal. This is the street 7 New Street. This is the phone number. Name is best customer. Email is best@pabblytudes.com. As now this response has been captured, now let's forward the payment details in our Google Sheets. For that, simply you have to set up the connection. For that, click on this connect button. Then go towards this add new connection option and click on this sign in with Google button. Now this is the account with the help of which I have created my spreadsheet. So I will select this account from here. And next it is asking for the permission for the account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Next we have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet, for which I'll select payment details and sheet 1. So I'm going to go back, select the details from here. After that, it is going to ask for the details. The headers that you have created in your spreadsheet is going to appear one by one just like this over here. So the headers are going to appear like this in front of you. First, it is asking for the payment ID. For the data of these fields, we'll map the data. In order to map the data, add the slash where you want to map the data. The previous step is going to appear where search for the payment ID. As now I want to create the record of this payment ID in my Google Sheets, I'll select the data from the previous response. This data that's been selected from the previous response has been mapped and is dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. Similarly, for the name, I will map the data of the name right over here. For the phone number, I will map the data of the phone number and other details. So let me show you the entire data that I've mapped right over here. So I've entered all the details. I've entered the entire address, status and the payment amount, and click on the save and send test request button, where I've received this response. And in my Google Sheets, you will see the record of this payment details has been created as well. The same ID, name, best customer, phone number, email address best@pabblytudes.com, the same email address, success is the status and the amount is 9 rupees. So this is how the connection between Instamojo and Google Sheets is created. Now whenever a new payment will be done in your Instamojo account from your customers, you will get the systematic record of all the payment details in one place using this amazing setup. Now if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. The coupon code ANGYT is an amazing code. You will get very good discounts using it. So go ahead, use the code right away. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.